Ndewo. Welcome back. In today's class, we'll continue from where we stopped. Remember, we are still dealing with the same topic, Akara edemede Igbo. And we have 14 Akara edemede Igbo, whereby we've treated 6. So today we are going to the 7th one, which is Akaraajụjụ. Akaraajụjụ, question mark. Question mark. Question mark is used in different ways too. It is used to indicate a question. It is used to indicate a question. We have some words that we use to ask questions in Igbo language. In Igbo language, there are some words that when you hear it, you know it's a question. We normally use those words to show or to ask questions. The questions include what, gini, what, kedu, how or where, ole, why, onye, who, olie, how. These words are used to ask questions in a sentence, whereby you are reading a particular sentence and you see these words as the first word before others. That means that sentence is a what? Is a question. It is used, all these ones I mentioned, is used to indicate question in a sentence. Example, what happened to you? What happened to you? In Igbo, gini mere gi? Gini mere gi? Another example, gini ka iji n'aka? What are you holding on your hand? What are you holding on your hand? Gini ka iji n'aka? Another word that we also use as a question, which is kedu. Example is, kedu ka I mere? How are you doing? How are you doing? Another one is ole. Ole ebe nne gi jere? Where did your mother go? Where did your mother go? So we have another way that we make use of question mark, which is whenever a pronoun is used to ask a question mark will be inserted. In Igbo, we use one particular word like or to represent the masculine and the feminine. We don't differentiate between masculine and feminine. Our or o is used to represent masculine and feminine. So this o and o is a pronoun. Is one of the pronouns that we have in Igbo language, because this example you will not understand it in English language. I'll just translate whatever I'm saying in English for you to understand what I mean in this particular one. Remember, I'm telling you that o or o is used as a pronoun in Igbo language, and we don't have any means to differentiate or to put a difference for you to understand that this particular sentence is for a man or a woman, a boy or a girl, except there is a name attached to it. Example, Ngozi ọ chọrọ mmiri? Do Ngozi need water? This or, the or that you are seeing there is a pronoun. That or, wherever you are seeing this, you are seeing a noun and a pronoun in a particular sentence. That means that particular sentence wants to ask a question. Ngozi is a noun. Or is a pronoun. Two in the same sentence. It's as if you are calling Ngozi and she. Ngozi and she coming together before any other word. Ngozi ọ chọrọ mmiri? The or there is a pronoun. That or there makes it to be a question. Ọ chọrọ mmiri? Another way, okay, in Igbo, mgbe ọbụla eji mkpọ aha were jụọ ajụjụ, a ga-etinye akara ajụjụ. Another example, Chinelo o kwuru okwu. Did Chinelo say anything? The O in that sentence is a pronoun and Chinelo is a noun. A noun and a pronoun coming together, that makes that particular sentence to look like a question, to be a question. Chinelo ọ chọrọ mmiri? This one is Chinelo o kwuru okwu. Did Chinelo say anything? Did Chinelo say anything? The O there is a pronoun which makes this particular sentence a question. Another way that we make use of question, a simple or a casual sentence can be a question when a pronoun starts a sentence. In Igbo language, one particular sentence can be a question and it can be a statement. One particular sentence can be a question and it can also be a sentence. That is where tone marking will come in. When you put stone in it, you will know the one that is a question or a sentence. Example, okay, in Igbo, ahịrịajụjụ dị mkpa mgbe ọbụla e were ahịrịokwu dịka ahịrịajụjụ. Ahịrị nkwusa. Ahịrịajụjụ dị mkpa mgbe ọbụla e were ahịrị nkwusa dịka ahịrịajụjụ. Ọmụmaatụ, o jere ahịa, which is a casual sentence. He went to the market, which is a simple sentence. He went to the market. O jere ahịa. O jere ahịa. O jere ahịa is a sentence. O jere ahịa. They are the same tone marking, but different tones of pronouncing it, which means one is a sentence and the other is a question. O jere ahịa, he went to market, is a statement. O jere ahịa, did he go to market? In English, you are using another word to say that this particular sentence is a question, but in Igbo language, you will use exactly the same word. We repeat the same word in a sentence, in a statement, to be a question. What differs in this particular statement and question is the word, the tone of the pronunciation, the way you say it. O jere ahịa. O jere ahịa. O jere ahịa. O jere ahịa. This is a statement and a question. He went to market, and did he go to market? I hope you are understanding. In these two sentences, you will see the difference between a simple sentence and a question. Another example is, ọ bụ eziokwu ka o kwuru. He said the truth, which is a statement. Ọ bụ eziokwu ka o kwuru. Did he say the truth, which is a what? Question. But they are the same spellings, but with different way of pronouncing, which is tone difference. Thank you for staying tuned. See you in my next videos. Please do subscribe, share, give me a thumbs up. Ndewo, daalụ.